Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix the 404 page not found error on GitHub. If you're trying to open your GitHub Pages website and it shows a 404 error, don't worry. This usually means GitHub Pages cannot find the correct file, branch, or page source. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the important things to check on your site. So that your site can load properly. So first, open up your browser and go to GitHub. Log into your account, then go to the repository where your website files are saved. So once you are inside the repository, check if your project files are uploaded correctly. The most important files to look for here is the index.html file. This is usually the main file GitHub Pages looks for when loading your website. And make sure it is named exactly index.html using lowercase letters because file names can be sensitive. Next, go to the Settings tab of your repository, and from the left side menu, look for Pages and click on it. And in the GitHub Pages settings, check the branch being used and make sure it is set to the correct branch, usually the main. Then check the folder source, and if your index.html file is in the main area of your repository, select root. And if your website files are inside a docs folder, choose docs instead. And after setting the correct branch and folder, save the changes if needed. So GitHub may take a few minutes to update your site. So refresh the page after a short wait. Also double check the website link that you're opening, and the URL should usually look like username.github repository name. And if the repository name is typed wrong, the page may still show a 404 error. And if it still does not work, go back and check if the repository is public and if GitHub Pages is enabled and if the correct files are in the right location. So most 404 errors happen because the index.html file is missing, the wrong branch is selected, or the link is incorrect. And that is how you fix the 404 page not found error on GitHub. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.